What's up, guys? About 5:45 a.m. Not sure if you can see us, but it's 5:45 a.m. and we're rolling out to Georgia to get 5 vehicle wraps done. So just got to get down there and get the work done, and then make our way back home. So that is the goal. We'll try and update you a little bit here and there on the video of the vehicles, just doing a little bit, and we'll go from there. First stop and get some fuel. $5.19 a gallon, gotta love it. Gotta wrap up there. About to hit the McDonald's up and get this thing going. So, it should be.
Barty, you got any wise words?
I don't.
Alright.
They're trying to say I can't park here. Does that mean I can't park here?
That means you got a big truck and you can climb all those rocks if that's what it came down to, right? Are we hopping out real quick?
No. I don't think anybody's going to be here to tell us not to. That's what I'm thinking. Let's give it a go.
Look at that yeet! That was a pro yeet, my guy. Oh my gosh. Ankles ain't good, guys.
We don't want to go there.
Yeah, we don't want to go down any further, I don't think. We can get out here. I mean, you really think that out there is more treacherous than what we're walking in right now?
Yeah.
Now just be careful, because it looks like about 3-4 feet in front of you it just starts going down.
It is. It's
No
a huge,
way.
it's a drop off.
Is it?
It 1000% is. Real quick.
Real quick. I could see you going, bud, so I figured I'd say something.
That's a good call.
If only this place was designed for us to actually stop. But I don't think we're supposed to be here. I think that's where the issue really lies.
You're on to something.
I almost drowned in this river.
What?
I almost drowned in this river.
How? What were you doing down there?
I've lived many lives, Keaton.
Yeah?
Yes.
So one was in Kentucky?
I went whitewater rafting.
Oh.
Almost drowned.
Oh. You got your phone? It might not be.
How's it going? Well, we made it to the Radley Heating and Cooling Facility to do our wraps for the week. Keaton's going to be talking us through everything that's going to be going on.
Alright guys, we're gonna clean the beep out of these vehicles.
Here in the Mountain City, Georgia. Let's get to work.
Good old SG trophy. Good old SG. Let's see. Some of them do, even the work models. Right.
Let's just have back windows. So we'll just wrap up that. That's easy stuff.
Now, that's where the heating and cooling should cover, right?
Well, I don't have a full wrap on each side.
Whoa, hey, we're not wrapping this one.
Look at that. The graphics held up pretty good, though. Held up pretty good for that whack. Holy crap.
My graphics are scratched.
I want my money back. My graphics are scratched. Kind of questions we get asked, that's for sure.
Dude, that might be like frame rail.
Holy crap. Wow.
These seams
Dude,
are
this
staying
thing's a
perfect.
body.
Look at that. Look at that. No pullback. No pullback.
This sticker is definitely holding up.
The only
Not
part where
bad.
it's failing is where it changed shape. And that's only sometimes.
Oh, there was a lot of change in shape going on here.
There it is.
Wow.
All right. We're gonna get this scat inside. Heck of a wrap. Ooh. You have to tuck those mirrors in, boy. I need a shower. And I need Walmart.